Ayan guys, pupunta tayo doon sa pupuntahan natin yung nakikita ko guys. Kung nakikita ninyo yan, mga white na yan, lahat ng yan ay mga ibon. Tinatawag namin yan na kanaway dyan sa Northern Luzon, which is yan ang ibong balintatawak. Okay, so lapitan natin ng konti, tignan natin kung anong ginagawa nila sa pinapadry na fish pond, dahil paglilipatan yan ng mga adults ng mga bangus, which is bakit siya dinadry, gawa ng pinapatubo siya ng lumot para may pagkain ng bangus later on. Yan. I just want to share with you guys the experience that I had right now here in Iloilo. At trabaho lang to guys, walang personalan na. Yan sila guys, they are just observing if I'm coming through with that place. And look at that birds, they are just watching me, they are not doing anything. They're going to fly and fly away. Yee! And oh, they just like that. You just like that. Oops, I have seen something here. Look at that. Ano yan? Ano yun? What's that? What is this? Oh, it looks like a frog, but it's not a frog, it's a fish. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go back to the packs of birds. Iyon sila. They're making sounds, like creepy sounds.